Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Morillo from Darkness Prepper.
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas.
Today we are doing a special program here. It's a pleasure to meet you like this.
In the last 5 videos, we climbed many mountains, walked many roads, bitten by mosquitoes.
Therefore, we plan this program today to share some using experience of a survival tool we used in Darkness Prepper episode 2, right?
Yes, you made a campfire in the pipeline of our tunnel base.
That's it. So today we will do a useful skill sharing show together. Actually, me and Thomas could take an opportunity to have a good rest.
Yes, survive is very important. Homework,
It's very important.
No. Have a rest is very important.
Yes.
So that, what little survival tool do we pick today?
The Magnesium fire starter. There is. So Thomas, why is there so many?
Because we took 3 magnesium fire starters. So there must be a Z behind.
Yes, we picked 3 different types of magnesium fire starter here today. They are the standard type of magnesium fire starter, which is often used by the hunters. The magnesium block type, which is coming from the US military, and the window breaker with a whistle. These 3 types of magnesium fire starter are all very popular in the market. But which one is better? Oh, please remember, there's no better or best. For the one who is in a survival situation, there's only tools suitable or not. Okay, let's see what's the standard method to start a fire first. There are many ways in which people have shown to use the magnesium fire starter. We recommend the following way to make it easier. First, we tear some tissue paper into strips and pieces. Then put them into this pottery basin as fill. Oh, you like this basin? I'm glad to hear that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Me too.
Put the fill into the basin.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I'm going to put them together.
Yeah. First step, using the backside of your pocket knife or a metal piece bar like this, scrape the magnesium bar. If you use the edge of the metal piece, you will have good success in getting nice curved shavings of magnesium into our basin. Step 2. Once you have saved about a pair of magnesium shavings, quickly scratch the magnesium bar to produce sparks to ignite the shavings. When the flames is generated, add thin wood to form a flame. The reliability of a super flint has made it a favorite of outdoor experts, hunters, fishermen, and campers. It is also an easy way to light a stove or gasoline barbecue in the cabin or backyard.
Did he just say the word barbecue? You hear that?
Wow, it's pretty good.
Can we do the barbecue?
Are you hungry? But you just finished your lunch. That's good. That's easy.
Can we do the barbecue?
Oh no, Thomas. We cannot use this fire to barbecue. We are on the broadcasting now. Oh, that's a little bit. Ay. Yeah, finally we got it back.
Barbecue?
Thomas, I like the barbecue too, but we have no meat in the refrigerator now.
Oh.
Now it's easy to tell among the three types of magnesium fire starter, the one with the largest amount of spark is the window breaker type. Wow, is that good?
Wow.
Good. Yeah.
See? That's the best one.
Yeah, that's the best one. I like it. That's surprising me. And the other type, the standard type of the magnesium fire starter.
No, Dad.
Hmm?
You take the other one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. This one is okay. It's okay. It's very useful. And the last one, the magnesium block one, is a little bit harder. But if you try, pay more effort, it's still working. You see that? It's still working. Still no problem. Surprisingly, it can also work normally in humid environment. Yeah, in the water, it still can work. Everyone will be happy to be able to use such a simple tool to make a fire. Okay, let's give some special highlights for the champion. It's always good to have more functions in survival situations. This one is usually sealed in aluminum alloy management and can be used as a window breaker and attack weapon at the crucial moments. Obviously, it looks better than the other two types, especially this lovely whistle. The whistle is probably the simplest communication equipment which can call for help and transmit information. It can also reassure the team members to the same trade, etc. So Thomas, which one would you like to pick as your own fire starter?
A letter. A match.
I mean, you pick from here.
A daddy.
Why daddy?
Because daddy can make everything, including fire.
Oh, that's why, Thomas. You pick one from the fire starter.
I picked this simple one.
Why simple one?
More simple, more longer use.
Do you agree that? You can leave the message, tell us. Thank you very much.
See you next time.
Darkness Prepper.
Darkness Prepper.